having you here. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be making a very special snack. You can actually make this snack within 10 minutes. So let's go ahead. I'm cracking one large egg into a bowl. I add on water, cooking oil, vanilla flavor, sugar, baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, salt. We'll mix this till the sugar dissolves. We'll add on the flour gradually. I add the milk, liquid milk. Knead this for 2 minutes. You should have a sticky dough, but not too sticky to your fingers. Apply flour to your work surface. Bring in the dough. Apply more flour on the dough. Then you roll it out. This is the thickness we are looking for. I'll remove this. I'll use it for another batch. In a dry pan on heat, I heat up the oil. You need hot oil for this. I will insert one to check. As it's sizzling like this, you introduce the others. Turn it to the other side. You will have to cook this for about a minute or a minute and a half on each side. You can lower the heat now when it starts breaking up to allow it fry well on both sides. Take it out when it's golden brown and drain it out on a ready serviette paper. Our snack is ready. You and your children will definitely enjoy this. Please subscribe to my channel. Please also like and share this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.